Imagine printing 14,000 pages without a single panic. Epson EcoTank ET-3950 delivers. Ever felt like your printer is personally out to ruin your day? Deadline looming, kids screaming, and bam, another replace cartridge ransom note. You're not lazy, you're just tired of being nickeled and dimed every time you hit print. Sound familiar? Drop yes in the comments if you're done with the cartridge cartel. That knot in your stomach when the ink light flashes red at 11 p.m., the silent rage when a single school project costs more in ink than the backpack. You're one surprise low ink away from throwing the whole printer out the window. Imagine never feeling that dread again without adding another subscription or gadget to your life. Here's where the Epson EcoTank ET-3950 walks in like it owns the room. No cartridges, no games, just massive refillable tanks loaded with enough ink for up to 3 years or 14,000 black pages straight out of the box. One busy real estate agent told me she printed 500 glossy flyers and the ink tanks didn't even flinch. She actually laughed out loud. PrecisionCore Heat-Free technology delivers laser-sharp text in colors that pop, while the 30-sheet auto document feeder swallows multi-page contracts like candy. Refilling? You just tip the bottle. Auto stop, zero mess, zero drama. It's so stupidly simple you'll wonder why every printer doesn't do this. Stick around till the end because I'm dropping the one secret setting that makes this printer stupidly fast most people completely miss. Picture this, you hit print and actually walk away. Zero anxiety, zero babysitting. The Epson EcoTank ET-3950 turns chaos into calm with blazing 18 pages per minute black prints, Duplex saving your paper, and wireless magic from your phone, laptop, or even screaming, "Alexa, print my invoice," while you're still in the driveway. One small business owner said she cried the first month she didn't spend $87 on ink. Actual tears of joy. Tech reviewers call it the best value printer on the planet. Families say it survived the science fair apocalypse without a single ink run out. Over 100 million EcoTanks sold worldwide, and the comment sections are basically love letters. Yes, it's a bit bigger on the desk because it's holding 3 years of ink, Karen. Which feature would save your sanity the most? The endless ink, the hands-free auto document feeder, or printing from your phone while making coffee? Tell me in the comments. I read every single one. Look, the old printer companies are praying you stay scared of running out. Don't give them the satisfaction. Thousands of people just like you already made the switch to the Epson EcoTank ET-3950 and are laughing at how much money they're saving. Stock moves fast because once people feel this freedom, they tell everyone. Click the link, grab yours, and comment Ink Freedom below the second you print your first worry-free page. Don't just watch, jump in and transform your workflow today.